The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Rice vermicelli and spicy and sour fish gravy. A bowl of Penang Asam Laksa is a symphony of 5 tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami, layered into a fragrant, tamarind-laced fish broth poured over thick rice noodles and crowned with a vivid garnish of cucumber, pineapple, mint, torched ginger, and a drizzle of dark, molasses-like prawn paste. Ranked by CNN as one of the world's most delicious foods, this iconic Penang street dish is a masterpiece of Nyonya cuisine, born of the intermarriage between Chinese immigrants and Malays. The broth is uniquely sour thanks to tamarind pulp and Assam gelugur, deeply aromatic from lemongrass, galangal, and torched ginger flower, and rich with the flaked flesh of fresh mackerel. This recipe serves 4-5 and takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes from start to finish. For the fish broth: chub mackerel fruit 600 g, cleaned and gutted. Water 6 cups, tamarind pulp 19 section as pour, 1 heaped tbs, polygonum leaves proegonum leaves, 1 1/2 teaspoon. For the spice paste: peasy red chilies 15, use 13 for grinding, 2 for shredding as garnish. Shallots 15, lemongrass 2 stalks, tender central portion. Dried shrimp paste 2, 5 times 2, 5 times I 5 times C. For the noodles: thick rice vermicelli 400 g, 400 g. For the garnish: cucumber 1/2 shredded, pineapple 1 slice shredded, torched ginger bud 1 shredded, onion 1 halved and finely sliced, mint leaves 1 cup plucked from stalk, limes 2 cut into wedges. For the condiment: shrimp sauce 1 tablespoon mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the spice paste as a grind together 13 of the red chilies, the shallots, the tender central portion of the lemongrass, and the dried shrimp paste in a food processor or with a mortar and pestle until you achieve a smooth, fine paste. Set aside. Shred the remaining 2 chilies for the garnish. Step 2. Extract the tamarind juice. Soak the tamarind pulp in 3-4 tablespoons of hot water for 5 minutes. Squeeze and strain through a fine sieve to yield approximately 2 cups of tamarind juice. Discard the seeds and fibers. Step 3. Prepare the garnish vegetables and herbs. Shred the cucumber into thin strips. Shred the pineapple slice. Finely slice the torched ginger bud. Halve and finely slice the onion. Pluck the mint leaves from their stalks and set aside. Cut the limes into wedges. Step 4. Soak the rice vermicelli. Soak the thick rice vermicelli in hot water for about 30 minutes to soften before boiling. This ensures even cooking and a tender, springy texture. Step 5. Prepare the shrimp sauce condiment. Dilute 1 tablespoon of shrimp sauce with 2 tablespoons of water and mix until smooth. This sweet, dark prawn paste is the defining condiment of authentic Penang Asam Laksa. Without it, the dish is incomplete. Cooking steps. Step 1. Boil the fish. Clean the mackerel and place it in a large pot with 6 cups of water. Bring to a boil over high heat and cook for about 5-10 minutes until the fish is fully cooked. Using a slotted spoon or wire skimmer, carefully transfer the fish to a bowl and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Debone and flake the fish. Once the fish is cool enough to handle, remove the heads and bones. Flake the flesh into small pieces, keeping some slightly larger chunks for texture. Set the flaked fish aside. Step 3. Build the broth. Add the ground spice paste, the extracted tamarind juice, the polygonum leaves and the salt to the fish stock in the pot. Stir well and let the broth simmer over medium-low heat for 10-15 minutes, allowing the aromatics to infuse and the flavors to meld. Step 4. Return fish and simmer. Return the flaked fish to the simmering broth. Continue to cook for another 10-15 minutes over low heat, stirring occasionally. Season to taste. The broth should be intensely sour, spicy, and deeply savory, with a slightly viscous texture from the breakdown of the fish. Step 5. Boil the rice vermicelli. While the broth is simmering, drain the soaked rice vermicelli and place it into a large pot of boiling water. Boil for 10-15 minutes until the noodles are soft and tender. Drain well. Step 6. Assemble and serve. Place equal portions of the cooked rice vermicelli into 4-6 serving bowls. Pour the boiling hot fish gravy over the noodles, making sure to include generous chunks of flaked fish. Arrange the prepared cucumber, pineapple, torched ginger, onion, shredded chili, mint leaves, and lime wedges on top of the noodles or on a separate flat dish. Serve immediately, with the diluted shrimp sauce in a separate small bowl for each diner to drizzle over their laksa to taste.